Good day, this is a video guide to access to P4B of our car park. So this is from level P3B. You will going to access P4A like usual using this ramp. And then turn right and stop halfway to make a reverse. Now reverse your car facing the ramp to go up to P4B. Going up to P4B and you go straight to the back and then turn left to make a round for a parking spot. All staff are required to park at P4B only during the closure of ramp for expansion. Please rest assured that flagmen will be stationed at P3B, P4A and P4B to ensure smooth traffic flow. Now is a video guide to go down from P4B to P3B. You are now at P4B. Turn right to go down to P4A and then turn right but stop halfway to make a reverse. Now reverse your car facing the ramp and then go into the ramp going down to P3B. Please go straight to the back to make one round because this is the correct traffic flow. So please go through this one circle counterclockwise. And then you can go down to P3A using the usual traffic flow. Thank you.